I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hit it and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Ash and today I have a little get ready with me hair and makeup edition. I am showing you guys my quick, simple and easy 10-minute glam. It's literally like my go-to makeup look and I literally can do it in 10 minutes. No cap. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that and I'm either gonna list the products down below or somewhere on the screen, so be on the lookout for that if you're interested in knowing what I'm using. And I showed you guys how I styled and cut some bangs into my hair. This hair is from yours truly, Laced by Ashley. I have in 22 inches of Peruvian straight. I have in 3 bundles and 2.5 bundles, and that's how full my bundles are. I have in 2.5 bundles, and then I have a 14-inch frontal because I'm in a 14-inch frontal because I wanted that layered look without actually having to go in and cut it. Lazy people hack. You're welcome. Really, this is really different and new for me. Y'all know I'm so used to my long straight black hair with the middle part. I got bored and decided to cut some bangs into it because I seen someone on Instagram get some bangs. I was like, girl, that looks cute as fuck. Let me try it. And it looks cute as fuck. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below as well as thumbs it up. Share with all your hair loving or makeup friends. If you're watching this video and you still haven't subscribed, you're a weirdo. Yeah. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Enjoy the video.
To have you lurking, you make a act now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just love me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. You see me have you. You see me have you. You see me have you. You see me have you.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, that work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me off, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick a time and a place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just love me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. You see me have you. You see me have you. You see me have you. You see me have you.
My people there, my people suffer. Them they pray for blessing.
We're gonna move on to hair. In case you guys were wondering, my bonnet is from Lace by Ashley, just like my bundles. I'm going to be adding some Moroccan oil. You can use whatever heat protectant, serum, or oil that you desire. And I'm gonna be taking my Dry Bar hair straightener, and I have it on the highest setting, which is 450 degrees. And as you can see, I am doing the chase method. So I'm chasing my flat iron with my brush.
Are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thanking God for life. I just can't explain. I can't explain, no. Yeah, look, it's gonna be a long time before we stop. Boy, they better know who made the scene pop. All I ever needed was a chance to get the team hot. Only thing I fear is a headshot or a screenshot. Pre-me, them a pre-me. You know they only call me when they need me. I never go anywhere, they never see me. I'm the type to take it easy. I took girls in the very first text I sent. I don't beg no lovers, I don't beg no friends. If you wanna link, we can link right now. Skeppy, Wiz, and Drake, it's a ting right now. Are you feeling good tonight?
This thing got me thanking God for life.
Now we're moving on to the bangs, the bangs. Okay, so when I got to this part, I was scared as fuck, and I'm not gonna hold y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm watching a tutorial as I'm giving you guys a tutorial. So what I did was I sectioned off the part of hair that I was gonna cut, and I did like a little like upside down triangle part. So once you like perfect it and get it to, you know, your likings, you're gonna spray down with some water. When you're cutting your bangs, please make sure you cut it longer than what you actually want, so that you can go in and fix it, because if you cut it too short, girl, you cannot go back. So after I cut it, I blow dried it in my bathroom, and I used a round brush to bump the ends. Now you're gonna see me going with my flat iron, and I'm gonna bump the ends some more. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and press out the front because I want to get rid of that middle part.
White socks, jack ups, and the pepper grains. Said they're gonna respect me for my ambition. Rest in peace, my niggas that are missing. I had to tell my story because they'd rather show you black kids with flies on their faces on the television.